Do you feel stuck right now in your life? You feel that you've done so many things pero ganun pa rin yung results mo. Ginawa mo ng lahat pero paulit-ulit pa rin yung nakukuha mo. Did you know na merong what we call inner conflicts? No, those inner conflicts na hindi mo alam meron ka are the ones keeping you stuck. Bakit? Para kang nagchat-chat-chat-chat. Moving forward and back pero hindi ka maka-decide. Kasi the reason there, yung belief system mo, when you were younger, you already were able to develop those belief systems. No, kumbaga may mga paniniwala ka nung bata ka that developed and you installed it in your life. How did you install it? You were observing. You were observing your parents, you observed the environment, the people around you, school, media. So lahat na yan, whether it's right or wrong, you were installing it in your life. Then what happens, later part of your life, you learned new principles and beliefs. Pero, when you learn it, kumukontra siya sa existing belief ninyo. So, yung nangyayari, nagko-conflict. You feel conflicted. Kasi this is the new beliefs that you want to believe, but nandun pa rin yung dating belief na naka-install sa buhay mo. So, silang dalawa, naglalaban sila. That's why it's keeping you stuck, right? You might be in conflict with something that you're doing that's against your beliefs or your religion. Even if you feel that what you're doing is right, but there's an inner conflict there, hindi ka makaka-decide and you end up wasting so many years of your life because of indecision. Now, what would happen if you have a tool that you can release that? We have in NLP a tool called parts integration because those conflicts are parts, right? Kasi you are not a whole because of that. May iba-ibang parte, kumbaga, nagkakabuhay sila. Di ba, if you do something that outside of your usual self, you ask yourself, uy, parang hindi ako yun na, bakit nagawa ko yun? But in NLP, we learn to put those parts and integrate it into the whole. And we call the process parts integration. Alam mo, when I discovered this, I was so thankful and grateful to the Lord kasi all the while, akala ko, I'm okay when it comes to money. But then, I realized that I had inner conflicts pala when it came to money. A part of me wanted to live a simple life, and a part of me wanted to live an abundant and wealthy life. So imagine, nag-aaway sila. And those beliefs were represented by the beliefs that I had before when I was growing up. Money is the root of all evil, and pag yumaman ka, magiging masama kang tao. So right now, I know that it's not true, but because deeply ingrained siya, kumukontra yung kaloob-looban ko. So imagine what would happen when you finally integrate and make it as a whole. No, pag naayos mo yung belief system na yan, it would work as one and it will support you kung ano yung gusto mo ngayon sa buhay mo. And that's what happened to me. When I was finally able to integrate it, I got better results in my life. That's why I'm sharing you this, because if kaya kong baguhin yung buhay ko with the right process, what's stopping you from also transforming your life? Because merong paraan. It only takes the desire to change and for you to take action. Now, if you're interested to learn more about NLP, timeline therapy, hypnotherapy, NLP coaching, feel free to reach out. No? Message me. Let's book a 1-hour session. It's for free lang naman so that you get clarity. What's keeping you stuck? Bakit ka nagsastruggle? And how NLP can help you. If this is for you, take that first step. No, wala namang mawawala sa'yo. God bless you and have a great week ahead.